I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical interface and power available because compatibility prevents wasted time. Open your machine or bay now, take electrostatic precautions, and remove the battery if applicable. Once done, verify ports on the motherboard, SATA versus NVMe M2, and note lane sharing. Make sure firmware supports the new capacity. Label cables and keep screws organized. This first step sets the stage for a smooth install and avoids backtracking. You install the drive physically, seating it in the bay or M2 slot because a proper connection prevents intermittent failures. Tighten screws just snug, over-torque can damage the PCB. Reconnect power and data, then boot to BIOS/UEFI to confirm detection, enabling OSI matters for SATA performance and wear leveling. Once the firmware sees the disk, set your preferred boot order if needed. Save settings and boot to your OS installer or live environment to proceed with partitioning. You now partition and format the drive because uninitialized disks are unusable. Open your OS disk utility and create a GPT table for modern systems, then create partitions sized to your needs and format them with NTFS, ext4, or apps. Assign a drive letter or mount point. Once formatted, run a quick smart health check and benchmark if desired. If the disk fails to appear, reset cables, update firmware, try a different port, or connect via USB adapter to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.